हेलो। नमस्ते बिटिया। खुश रहो। दिस इज डॉक्टर BRS सिंह चौहान, एसोसिएट प्रोफेसर FEM, ज्योति विद्यापीठ वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी। कोर्स नेम BScBedPCM6sem. Session of today is proof by contrapositive statement. In logic, the contrapositive of conditional statement is formed by negating both term and reversing the direction of inference. More specifically, the contrapositive of the statement if A then B, if not B then not A. A statement and its contrapositive are logically equivalent in the sense that if the statement is true, then it is contrapositive is true and it's vice versa. In mathematics, proof by contrapositive or proof by contraposition is a rule of inference used in proofs where one infers a conditional statement from its contrapositive. In other words, the conclusion if A then B is inferred by constructing a proof of the claim if not B then not A. Instead, more often than not, this approach is preferred if the contrapositive is easier to prove than the original conditional statement itself. The contrapositive of conditional can be formed by interchanging the conclusion and the hypothesis and negative both. The instead of positive, the conditional P then Q be prove its equivalent, then it not Q implies not P. Prove that if a matrix A is inversible, then A is non-singular. Writing the given statement in the symbolic form, we have P then Q, where P is matrix A is inversible and Q statement is A is non-singular. Here, instead of proving the given statement, B prove its contrapositive statement, that is, if A is not a non-singular matrix, then the matrix A is not inversible. If the matrix A is not a non-singular matrix, then it means that the matrix A is singular. Then if determinant A is equal to 0, then A inverse is equal to adjoint A upon determinant A does not exist, since determinant A is equal to 0. Hence, the matrix is not inversible. Thus, we have proved that if A is not a non-singular matrix, then A is not inversible. That is, not Q, then not P. Hence, it follows that if a matrix A is inversible, then A is non-singular. Hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you. Thank you.